Today during your phonics word study, you talked about how Latin roots help you determine the meaning of some English words. Today you looked at the word port and you came up with different words that had the word port in them, which means to carry. Today, for your practice, you're going to be doing just that with the word rupt, which means to burst. So, you are going to look at the word in the middle, type words that have the same root word in the 5 outer circles of the map. So, there are 6 circles in the map. You are going to create 6 words that have the word rupt in it, which means to burst. So, an example that we could do together would be the word interrupt, which when you interrupt, you burst into someone's conversation that they're having with someone else. You are going to do that for the remaining circles and submit on Schoology when complete.